Hi guys, welcome to another Source Sounds video. We've got a 69 plate Discovery Sport. Now what we've done on this vehicle is install some safety lights on it. So I'll just swizz the camera around so you can see what's happening, and I'll show you where we've been. We've also done a dash camera and a power inverter, because obviously this vehicle's used, it's a commercial vehicle, it's used in a commercial application. So I'll show you what we've done now. Right, so that's the front of the vehicle, and we've mounted the LEDs there down, and we've done the dash camera, as you can see there on the windscreen, and then we've got the roof mounted light bar, as well as the rear LEDs. So as you can see, it's viewable from all angles. So I'll just show you inside now on the other stuff that we've done. Okay, so we're now inside the vehicle. Now, one of the things inside these vehicles is where you're going to mount switches, because there's obviously not a lot of place to mount them. Well, what we've done with that is we've mounted the button for the LEDs there inside that pocket, and it's illuminated and it's out of the way. And then we've also done the dash camera, and the dash camera is there, and the wire goes up out of the way again. From the driver's position, you can't see that, which is really good. And then in the rear of the vehicle, we've mounted a power inverter. So again, being commercial, there is no rear seats in this, and the customer's had some tray, like slide out trays fitted. So we've mounted a power inverter there, and this is a 1000 watt pure sine wave inverter, so they can actually charge their power drills and that kind of stuff. So for further information on doing a warning system with LEDs, or any kind of dash camera or security upgrade on any vehicle, give the guys at Source a call on 0114 257 1550. Thank you for watching.